Hi everyone, I wanted to give you my tip of the month, and this is how to get rid of mosquitoes, or at least what's worked for us. So in the past, we have tried an exterminating service that set up these fancy buckets. I didn't really feel like it worked. We do not have a mosquito misting system, but a friend told me about Buckets of Doom, and you use mosquito dunks. So in the link in my bio, I have put mosquito dunks, and I have also put a couple of different buckets. Now, this is a planter from Lowe's. You can use a big orange bucket from Home Depot. It doesn't matter. But what you do, you fill up the bucket with water, you add in some grasses, some organic material of whatever kind, leaves, whatever's there, and then you add in a mosquito dunk, which is this little clay thing. See, it comes like this. There are a couple of different varieties. I don't think it matters what kind you use. You add in the mosquito dunks every 2 to 3 weeks. If you need to add more water in the heat of the summer, you do that. And it really worked for us. I'm not going to say it got rid of every mosquito out there, but it made it far more tolerable to be in the backyard, and any little bit helps. So it does not kill the good things like butterflies, so that's good. But I wanted to give you this tip because I think it also helps to do it earlier in the spring and get ahead of it, as opposed to trying to conquer this problem in July. So I hope that helps.